Try these safe gluten-free desserts. Gluten is a protein molecule found in many grains. There are people who are allergic to this particular protein. Such condition is called celiac disease. People who avoid gluten because of this condition or other reasons can still enjoy gluten-free desserts. Gluten is a protein molecule found in grains such as rye, wheat, and barley. It is present in most bread, cereal, and grain products. Some grain varieties with no gluten include wild rice, corn, buckwheat, millet, amaranth, quinoa, teff, soybeans, oats, and sunflower seeds. There are people who are highly allergic to gluten. This allergic condition is known as celiac disease. Other people without this disease believe that this particular protein can cause health problems, especially in the digestive system. To avoid getting this protein, the easiest way is to swerve away from food containing it. Perhaps another way is to eat just very little amounts of such food. Many people think that a gluten-free living means a life without desserts. In reality, it does not necessarily go that way. There are desserts without gluten that can make your eating habit just like that of a child during Christmas. The following are some ideas that can help you. A fresh fruit salad can be one of the most nutritious and easy to prepare gluten-free desserts you can make. All you have to do is get a bunch of fruit, cut them into bite size, and add juice or syrup. You should cut all the fruits about the same size. If you are adding grapes or cherries, cut them into halves. Make sure to remove the seeds or pips. The rest of the smaller fruits such as raspberries and blackberries are left whole, of course. In the case of strawberries, you can cut into 2 or 4 parts depending on their sizes. If you have kiwi fruits or Chinese gooseberries, skin them before slicing. The fastest way to do this is to cut the stalk end off and put them into a bowl of hot water. After a few seconds, transfer them into a bowl with cold water. You will be able to peel the skin off easily after doing this. To add flavor, add a little sugar syrup. Fruit juices such as grape, lemon, orange, and apple are also good. You can serve such no-gluten desserts plain or with cream or other toppings. Ice cream without gluten is also a good idea. Pavlova is another famous option for you. You probably haven't heard about it. It is actually a type of meringue filled with fruit and cream served during special occasions. First, prepare the meringue and allow it to cool down. If it is already cold, just fill it with fruits and cream. You now have your pavlova. Some other recipes you can try are walnut apple crisp, blackberry cobbler, and maple pecan pie. Try these safe gluten-free desserts. Gluten is a protein molecule found in many grains. There are people who are allergic to this particular protein. Such condition is called celiac disease. People who avoid gluten because of this